Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josephine. If you're new here, a very big warm welcome to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, like it, share with your friend, and a friend and a friend. Yeah, so today we are baking a good old banana bread. And the reason I haven't been posting is I'm doing work in the kitchen and it's not done yet. But well, let's get into this banana bread business. So I've got 3 ripe bananas in here, and I've got walnuts toasted. I've toasted, and we're going to use vanilla and buttermilk, and I'm going to use half a cup of brown sugar and almost a full cup of white sugar, and we will need 2 eggs, room temperature please. And in this bowl I've got salt, baking soda and baking powder in here, and I've got my not really melted, but I've got butter here, and I am going to use self-rising. So let's get into this video. Okay, so first thing first, I am going to mix my dry ingredients. I'll give the measurement in the description box so you can check in there. So this is going to be the dry ingredients, and I'm going to add the baking soda, baking powder, everything in here, and just mix. Okay, then we leave that aside, and in this bowl we are just going to mash our banana. We put the butter in here, put our sugar in there, add in your eggs. Okay. That's it. And add in your bananas, your mashed bananas. So you're gonna mix all of them together. This stage you can use a fork or any whisk or whatever. Okay, and next I am going to add like a half cup of buttermilk. I love in some buttermilk in here. Yeah, it's like totally half. It doesn't have a long date, so sometimes you just have to check. And let's use half a teaspoon, or at least add a bit more flavor. This banana bread is going to be tasty. So that's it. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients. I'm not going to whisk it because I don't like my bread to become tough, so I am just going to use my, and I've already buttered my pan, ready to go. Alright then, so now we're going to use this, or it would be a good idea to use a spatula. So let's go. I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Bit by bit. I always say if you put too much you can't take them out, but if you put less you can always add more. So I just take my time. Please do not overmix this or your bread will become a bit tough. Banana bread needs to be nice and moist. So it's all mixed properly. You can use your wigs, but I really prefer it this way so you don't overdo it. Do you have any special way of doing your banana bread you want to share with me? I will leave my Instagram account there. You can just, if you make this recipe, just leave me a link. Let me add my tea to it and let's have it together. So now I'm going to add in my toasted walnuts. If you are not allergic to nuts, guys, try it. Or you can even add in chocolate chips. That is nice. Anything you want to add, just add. And it will come out very nice and beautiful. Oh, I can't wait. Beauty. Easy peasy. Our banana bread. So now we've got our pan here. So let's see, guys, so beautiful. I'm being tempted to divide it into two because I don't want it to be too much in one pot. So I am going to divide it into two. That's it. So just do it that way so it just stays. So we turn our oven to bake and we put it on 250. Okay, so we are going to put it on 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. Stop it. Someone stop
You okay?
Is it? Oh no.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, our cake is done. Ooh, there we go. Done. Anyway, usually let me dip this in I know. Nice and clean. Oh, see the nuts and everything in here. Let's have another cut. Guys, one of the cake is finished already. Yeah, you can see one of them is already finished. See how nice and moist is it? Okay, it is. So, this is the beauty. Let me add my whipped cream to it. All right, let's go. Let's see. This is the fun part of it. All right, guys, this is yummy. Try this cake. You will love it. You can taste the bananas, the nut, whipped cream. You can see one of the cake is finished already. I just finished about 20 minutes ago and they finished everything for me. But well, I like this cake. I hope you will like it too. Try it and leave me a comment down below. If you like the banana bread, just send me how you do yours. You can tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down. So, thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upload from me. Joel is sitting there making faces. Well, I'm done. Do you want to come in? Come. I'm homeschool now. He's almost as oh my goodness. They came home. I should have mentioned them. And so, see you soon and be safe. Stay safe. Bye. God bless you.